Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And before we get right in, I would like to wish everyone a happy Juneteenth. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself today. It is very hot today. It's almost 100 in my city. So guys, I hope you are keeping cool and staying hydrated. And now we can get into the video. So in this video today, I will be accomplishing another Mushroom Pixie Cut quick weave. I will be leaving the hair that I'm using in the description box. So if you have any questions, just feel free to leave it in the comment section and I will be sure to handle it for you. So welcome to all the handlers, and if it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, reviews, unboxings, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button and join the squad, and I'll love on you over here. And I would love to send a shout out to my subscriber, Rabia Chapman. I hope I'm not butchering your name, but thank you so much for the super thanks. I really appreciate it. It keeps me motivated and makes me just want to do more videos. So handlers, if you're listening, send me some super thanks. I'd rather cash out because YouTube takes at least 30 to 40% of what you guys do in super thanks. So I will be putting my Cash App down in the description, and I will leave my Cash App barcode at the end of this video. So I am starting off with the 27 pieces, the shortest pieces in the pack. I think it's a 1 inch. As a matter of fact, I know it's the 1 inch. This is the 1, 2, 3 inch pack. And I'll be doing this up until a little bit above the ear. And you guys just take anything you can from this video and add it to your own technique. I'm not telling you to take everything I do, but it's good to just, take what you can, add it to your own technique, and hopefully it will be useful. So guys, I hope the video was enjoyable. Please leave a like, leave an E for effort in the comment section if you like, and also make sure you're subscribed, because a lot of my viewers that come back all the time, you guys are not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and let's get us to 10,000. See you guys in the next video. Mwah.